In today's fast-paced world, our bodies often become too acidic due to stress, poor diet, and environmental and social factors. But there's a solution. The Become More Alkaline Challenge is designed to help you restore balance and harmony and enhance your overall well-being. I'm Fidelis Snuggle II, founder and CEO of the Alkalign Lifestyle School, and I'm excited to guide you through this 5-day transformative challenge. Over the next 5 days, we'll explore simple yet powerful strategies to increase your body's alkalinity, align your chakras, heal from autoimmune disease, improve your sexual relationships, and increase your life force energy. You will learn how to nourish your body with alkaline-rich foods, incorporate mindful movement into your daily routine, cultivate a positive mindset, and attract the life you desire by becoming the authentic, divine version of yourself. Each day will focus on a different aspect of alkalinity, nutrition, spirituality, hydration, sexuality, exercise, and mindfulness. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, improve your digestion, your relationships, simply feel better in your own skin, this challenge is going to be for you. Plus, you'll also be a part of an amazing community that supports each other every step of the way. Are you ready to take the first step towards optimal health? Sign up today at alkalinelifestyle.com/become more alkaline challenge. I'm excited to see you there.